The DECERK Electric Pressure Washer offers a powerful cleaning solution with its 1,800 pounds per square inch maximum pressure, effectively tackling most yard grime without causing surface scratches. Equipped with a robust 1,500-watt pure copper motor, this pressure washer can operate continuously for up to 60 minutes, making it ideal for cleaning large areas like a 200-square-meter courtyard. The inclusion of 4 quick connect nozzles allows for versatile cleaning options, easily switching between different spray angles to handle various cleaning tasks efficiently. This pressure washer comes with a comprehensive car washing kit, including a foam sprayer that ensures thorough cleaning while maintaining the vehicle's paintwork. Its 35-foot power cord and 20-foot hose provide excellent mobility, allowing users to clean large areas without frequently changing power outlets. Safety is a top priority with the DECERK Pressure Washer, featuring advanced protective systems such as a ground fault circuit interrupter and a total stop system to prevent accidents.